Whether you know what they do, the Trust for Public Land saves millions of acres from development across the nation, including here in Hawaii. We have Bianca Clark, the Associate Vice President, who's in town from the national chapter, with Leah Hong, the Hawaii State Director for TPL. And we're excited to have you ladies. Thanks for being here.
Thank you so much. We're thrilled to be here.
Now, I have heard that you have an upcoming talk with Carissa Moore at UH, and we wanted to ask you about that. You must be excited to have her being a part of TPL.
Absolutely. We could not be more honored to be speaking with her on Thursday afternoon, 6:30. There's going to be a panel also with Hawaii News Now's very own Mahalani Richardson. But Carissa Moore, an Olympian, just absolutely incredible, going to be able to talk about the power of the outdoors with her, and we couldn't be more honored to be sharing that space.
All right, and so for people who are interested in seeing this, Leah, do you want to give them some details? Because there are not that many tickets left, guys.
Well, you sign up on Eventbrite, and it's, just Google Eventbrite and Carissa Moore. It's at 6:30 at the University of Hawaii Kennedy Theater.
Thursday.
And there's parking by the theater and then, the different University of Hawaii lots.
So the trick is, if you want tickets, in the middle name section, you got to put in HNN. That way you can have access, because the tickets have gone really fast. It's a very popular event. And Leah, for you, and saving so much land here in Hawaii and knowing Carissa, she has a huge, parks have had a huge role for her.
Yeah, we're so honored that she's speaking with Bianca. And parks are so important to ocean access, right? I mean, our beaches, our oceans are so much a part of our daily lives. I used to go surfing every day when I was less busy. Carissa, is often seen at Diamond Head and Kewalos and other beach parks. So parks and open spaces throughout Hawaii are just so important to our daily lives and well-being in Hawaii.
And you found across the nation, you really push to make sure that everyone has access to green space and parks.
Absolutely. Trust for Public Land is a national nonprofit, and we work to protect lands, create parks, create trails, transform schoolyards and other lands so that people can connect to the outdoors. We do that in the places that are needed most and hand in hand with communities. And we really do that because parks are superfoods for our cities and communities. They provide tremendous environmental, climate, health, social benefits. But despite that, and there's a lot of evidence that those are real benefits to communities. I think we all have been outside, have been able to get outside here, and you feel the difference, you feel the benefit. But there are 100 million people, that's 1 in 3 US residents, that doesn't have access to a park, doesn't have that opportunity for connection. And we're working with partners and community members and government partners as well, and other stakeholders to bring outdoor access to everybody.
Okay, Leah, we're out of time, but just real quick, one project you're working on that with TPL right now.
Well, we're working very closely with the City and County of Honolulu at A'ala Park to improve that park, make it safe and welcoming for the entire community, and the community is leading. We've engaged over 1,000 people. There's a concept design, and we're working now closely with the city to implement that design.
All right, thanks again, ladies. And again, Carissa Moore going to be speaking at UH Thursday. HNN, put it in the middle name, and you can get tickets at Eventbrite. We'll be right back.